I'm going to add a material. I'm going to go through the same process. We want the material to be downloadable. So the biggest difference is that instead of putting live at the beginning of the title or course, we have to get rid of that. We're going to put digital. That's going to be the word that we're going to identify so that as soon as somebody sees digital, they know it's a digital download and they're not going to think it's a live course or it's an online course. Avoid problems. And I'm going to put this here, bullying lesson plan and materials. And I'm going to go here. I'm pretty sure I have it in my notes. So this is going to be a material description. It's really, really similar to the other one, to the live course or the online course. It just has a little bit less. I'm going to go here and I'm going to copy and paste it. This is the first one I'm uploading in this way, so I will go through and put the bold, but then you'll have one that you won't have to do this for. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pick my age ranges. This is for kindergarten. It's going to be in English and Spanish. And I'm just adding, and then I'll have other digital download types of resources. Set my featured image. In this case, I'm going to go and, oh, it's already here. Perfect. I'm going to use the bullying image. Whenever you upload an image, you want to change the text in the title. And you want to put the title of what it is. I'm going to have to see how that looks. It might not look too good, so I'm going to have to change that. But I'm going here and I'm going to put digital download. Something that they know, they have to go here, download your file. And when I do that, I'm going to be able to attach the bullying file to this lesson. When I open this up, it's automatically going to create a lesson, but this is really just a place where we're storing our file so that people have to purchase it in order to access it. That's the biggest thing. So the important thing is going down here and adding the file. You're going to do the same thing when you upload a file. You're still going to select it from your computer. Okay, have my bullying file. It's a PDF already. Make sure I put the bullying title, digital download. This is all part of SEO. And it's just going to help Google, if someone's looking for Spanish or English materials, it's going to help Google to find them. So I always make sure the title has a good descriptive and all the keywords that we want. And that's about it. You guys don't have to worry about anything else. It's pretty simple with this part. You don't have to put in a description or anything because it's all going to be in your main description. And once you go to update, it's going to take you back to the main course, in this case, the main product. If you had a bundle, you would still be able to use this, but each lesson would be a different part of the bundle. So you can do bundles in this way too. Let me go back to my courses. And so now I have my digital bullying lesson plan and I'm just going to submit it and it'll be live on the website. I don't think I did put a price, did I? Ooh, move it down. Yes, I need to still put a price. Just putting it at $3 and then publish. Okay, let's take a look at how it looks. So I have my digital bullying lesson plan and materials. Okay. Cool. See, I don't see the picture. I might need to go back and put that picture on again. See what happened to the picture. That featured image. Put it here. There we go. And let's update that. Now you can always, if you want, you can put in here videos, you can put previews, you can add pictures, you can add all kinds of media to the description. And that's where you would put your previews and your videos, which make a huge difference in selling your materials. But this is just going to be a quick example of how we're putting it on here. And it's the same idea. It has all the information, what it includes, how to use it. I'll put my biography later. And then it's not showing you the price because I'm already inside of it, but it would say to get this and it would be $3 to purchase it. Then people can still review it, and those reviews are going to show up in the same exact place under all of your reviews and all of your products. So it's going to help you build up reviews much quicker. And that's it. Your materials are going to be right next to your courses and your live classes if you choose to do all of them, so that when students go and they purchase a live course, you have that extra opportunity for them to purchase accompanying materials that go along with it. So it's a great idea if you have a successful live course that you can make materials that expand on that course as well. That's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll continue to give you whatever you need.